Hello, I am Aditya Arya. I am a software engineer and currently studying in my final year of my BTech. So this is my video resume and I will talk about my experiences, my projects and my tech journey so far. So my tech expertise primarily lies in the field of Gen AI domain, building RAG system, fine-tuning LLMs and web automation and agentic workflows. So previously I worked at Amberflux AGI Private Limited as an AI developer intern, where my task was to make and improve their RAG pipeline, implementing query classification and custom hybrid scoring via reciprocal rank fusion (RRF) and normalized linear combination of vector and BM25 signals to dynamically route the queries and eliminate retrieval ambiguity. I wrote test suits using Ragas based faithfulness and context precision metrics, driving the retrieval optimization that improved the relevance and grounding by estimated 20 to 25% of the retrieving. I also fine tuned a Gemma 3 1 billion parameter model using Onslaught for a bilingual English Hindi domain assistant, implementing custom memory tracking and stable management to resolve multi-turn context loss. Talking about my projects, I have built Strata KV. It's a log structure merge tree based a key value pair database with a custom compaction engine. So the primary use case was to just to explore the system design concept, but it ended up being extremely fast and low latency get based database with as I achieved a latency of 163 microseconds in get latency and the while maintaining backed recovery of 2 GB workloads in 632 milliseconds. So it's also an primary execution cache layer for my Bland Cloud engine using SHA 256 hashing enabled for big O of one cache lookups and bypass extensive C++ worker pool execution and external Redis dependencies. It also reclaimed nearly 80% of the disk space using the compaction engine, and the Bloom filters I implemented is to avoid unnecessary disk IO throughputs and the latency. I also made a compiler. It's a toy-based compiler and it's a Turing-complete interpreted programming language. So it's written from scratch in C++, implementing a custom Lexer recursive descent parser to enforce strict context-free grammar. It also uses some modern C++ syntaxes such as a unique pointer and variant, so to make the abstract syntax tree. I extended this compiler into a deployable execution platform by building concurrent Go-based backend with asynchronous worker orchestration, JOT authentication, snippet persistence, Dockerized deployment, and Strata KV backed execution, which I have talked earlier. So my primary tech stack being Python, C++, and Golang. I'm also making a voice agent runtime using Go, Python, gRPC, and local llama and faster whisper for STT and Piper TTS. So this is a self-hosted distributed voice agent runtime in Go and Python connected over gRPC bidirectional stream. It is designed by it is designed as a thread-safe session controller with Go routine-based IO decoupling, ensuring the orchestration layer has zero direct coupling to the network transport internals. It is implemented on a hardware-aware inference pipeline running STT, LLM, and TTS concurrently across CPU and GPU with runtime configurable agent personas driven entirely by YAML profiles and zero code changes per deployment. Beyond personal projects, I actively contribute to open source. I currently contribute to LFDT Hyro SDK ecosystem where I work on C++ and Python system development. One of my contribution involved refactoring the JSON RPC architecture by separating protocol handling from network concerns, significantly improving maintainability and testability. what excites me most is the building things that operate at the intersection of the AI and software infrastructure. I started my coding journey from a ML course and started learning Gen AI, and then I explored RAG development fine tuning, and then I am learning system design concepts and currently mastering Go. Thank you for your time, and I will link my GitHub and my Twitter to in the description. So thank you.